everyone, Brittany with Successful Solutions. We're going to go over some growing and gardening signs. So the first one we're going to do is grow. So you'll cup your hand and then like a flower coming up, grow. The next one we're going to do is flower. So you'll put all your fingers together and tap one side of your nose and the other. So flower. The next one we're going to do is water. So you have a W and then you'll tap it against your mouth. Water. The next one we're going to do has two ways to sign it. So it's dirt. So you can either rub your fingers, your thumb on your fingers, dirt, or you wiggle your hand underneath your chin, or wiggle your fingers underneath your chin. So dirt or dirt. And the last one we're going to do is garden. So same as grow, just smaller, and then land. So garden. All right, let me know if you have any questions.